Hello everyone, God bless you all in Jesus' name. I'd like to share a short video with you. This is Jenolan Caves. It's west of the Blue Mountains in New South Wales, Australia. I went there in 1984 on a school excursion. It was quite impressive for me as a 10-year-old then. We went to Jenolan Caves and then we went to Bathurst and we camped there for 3 days and we went panning for gold. It was pretty cool. They don't do stuff like that anymore in schools. Instead, they teach them confusion. You know what I mean? Anyway, there's a section of these caves named Temple of Baal. You know, Baal, B-A-A-L. I wonder why they call it Temple of Baal. Anyway, when you go inside these caves, those with eyes to see will clearly see that it is the petrified remains of pre-flood titans, hybrid creatures. You'll see it very clearly. Okay, I'll play this video. God bless.